You're not supposed to do this either, but this is how I do it. All right, this hair got me feeling myself clearly. No! Hey y'all, thanks for coming back to my channel. Honey, let me tell you about this wig. I hate this wig. I love and hate this wig. Like, don't get me wrong, this wig is really fire, but I guess because I'm stuck with so little parting space, but it just makes sense. It just makes sense to have the parting the way it is on this wig, so why don't I? But yeah, let me go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so here are my knots. They're not bleached completely, so I want to bleach it. However, you can see the wig does have this tan cap already attached to it, which is pretty much like the ball cap method, to help when your knots aren't bleached, or to help with the parting area so that you can see. It just gives you a more natural, realistic look. That's why they add this to the wigs, just how we add it to our head directly. So at first I was going to try to remove this so that I can bleach my knots, but I'm just going to leave it. However, I am going to bleach, you see, just this little bit right here. I'm going to bleach that because that part isn't covered by the cap. And you can see here, like, this is the cap. These are the knots. You shouldn't be able to see the black dots if the knots are bleached. So in this video, I will leave this cap on. Alright you guys, so here's my wig with the bleach on it, so I can just bleach the part that the cap isn't on. Okay y'all, this wig is actually really nice. Like I said, it is super soft, but I know this is like a more convenient wig because you have tracks right here, because the purpose of this wig is for the parts. Like you have a middle part here, see here, you have a side part here, and then like in between this are tracks as well, and then on this side you can do a side part to the left or to the right, whatever. So that is the purpose of this wig. Before I get to everything, I just want to tell you guys that. And oh honey, talk to me. I'ma just be quiet and do my hair because I don't know. Okay, so usually I put my glue on my hairline, but I'm going to put it on my wig this time. This just remind me of the TikTok where she was like, so you're not supposed to do this, but this is how I do it. You're not supposed to do this either, but this is how I do it. Wait a minute, let me get this joint on right. See, even though I bleached my knots, you can still see the knots, which means they were probably just thick knots. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to make some baby hair with that little bit of lace that I got in front of the cap. Because right now, this ain't it. I mean, I would say trust the process, but... And I think I need to can't go back so far because that's a track. This finna be a hot mess. Okay, so I'm sure this wig was made because there was like a lace shortage this year due to COVID. But honey, if you can give me much lace, you can give me a little bit more. Like I just need at least enough for some baby hair. That ain't a thin line between love and hate. Like I told y'all, I'm determined to make this wig look not wiggish. The way to do that is to make baby hair, but I don't have much room to work with. Alright, boom. Now let me effing tackle this, get it to look somewhat like this. Before, after. Alright, I don't know how I did these edges, but they bomb. So I'm put a little makeup right here so it's not so white. And did you see this wig at the beginning? Like, y'all see what I mean? Like, this is why you need baby hair. Especially when your wig isn't bleached for the guards, all of that. This is how you make it work. I'm really proud of my hair right now. And I like my edges to stay exactly where they at. I like them to look like I gelled them down, because I did. Alright, I really did the baby hair. I'm so happy. Let's take this down. Let me say this one more time before I even get down and dirty. You have to put in the work for your hair to look natural. Do not comment and say I got something different. Do not da-da-da. So boom, this junk is thick and I did that hairline, baby. So I'm gonna use the She's Bone hair wax. I'm gonna add some concealer. Let's blend that in. Okay, so that covered the dots. Hell, get this too then. Cause this part is got a little black dots too. And just blend that in. This hair is really soft. Make sure everything is nice and sleek. Take a little heat protectant on my hand. And then wipe it. No! It's hot in here. What's up? I actually forgot I was baking. I never wiped that junk off my eyes, but when I started to sweat, baby girl started to pop through. I gotta take the sweater off. I mean, but it is December. Okay. Here's my hair. Middle part. In the middle. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. See, really full and fluffy. And I'm going to put them underneath. Also going to cut them in 3. So I'm not working with the whole strip to make it a lot easier. Bless me. Please, Jesus. Amen. Bless you, girl. Financially, mentally, spiritually, physically, teethfully. Yeah, I want to get my teeth done so bad. Bless me. Alright, you guys. Boom. Lashes on. Cute. Long. Sleek. Middle part all pushed back. Alright, let me pull this joint for the front because she looking good. She looking good. She looking good. Oh. Alright, this hair got me feeling myself clearly. Over to the side. Boom. Here's another style. See, hair pulled back, hairline exposed. Get into it. Psych. I'm playing. I'm playing with y'all. Okay, half up, half down with the middle part. I really love the middle part. What do you think? I'm going to show you guys how it look without the middle part in a second. Alright, so middle part gone. Boom. It looks really good without the middle part. It looks really good with the middle part. Which one is your favorite? Bun on you. Don't look at my naps. Y'all, truthfully, I do not even know how I got this bun. Like, I couldn't even explain it. Like, I was literally trying to make a swirl doodle bun and it just flopped over and I left it. But it looked good. Alright, let's take this out. Like, look how it was folded over. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb my side part. All right. I mean, talk to me, side part. Really cute, really easy for you to change the parts, you know, like for you to find your part is super easy. See right here, you have like your tracks. Here, you have your part. So right here is straight tracks. Let me go down there. See that? Straight tracks in between it. See, side part, middle part. And then you have another side part over here as well. That's why it's called a 3-part wig. Because you can literally only part it 3 ways. But boom, she cute. All pushed to the side, so gorgeous and elegant. Okay. I mean, you see me. I have a serious love-hate situationship going on with this wig. Like, I feel like I went through the most to get it to look like this. And you know, another thing is by them having these tracks here, it makes the wig look way fuller as well. So, I like that.